Welcome to the Avoiding Rear-End Collisions training course for light vehicles. Learn essential techniques to stay safe and avoid accidents. This comprehensive online course covers the common causes of rear-end collisions and how to prevent them. Stay focused by avoiding distractions such as eating, drinking, or using your phone. Commit to being a professional driver and keep your mind on the road. Maintain a 3 to 5 second following distance on dry roads and increase this distance in inclement weather. Use fixed objects to gauge your following distance and ensure you have enough space to stop safely. Manage your time to avoid rushing. Be extra cautious at intersections and construction zones where unexpected hazards can arise. Get enough rest before driving and pull over at safe locations if you feel drowsy. Avoid stopping on the shoulder, especially in poor weather or at night. Enroll in the Avoiding Rear-End Collisions training course today. Equip yourself with the knowledge to drive safely and responsibly. Visit our website and start your training now.